Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are struggling how to begin your project, your crochet project using a magic ring, this video is right for you. I will be showing you how to start the ring until how we are going to close the ring. Alright, I'll be using number 4 medium weight yarn and size G hook. You can use any number of yarn, any number of thread, any number of hook. It depends on what project you are making. And I will be making 10 double crochet into the ring as my example. Okay, now to begin the ring, we are going to wrap around yarn on your finger or my finger. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice, 1, 2, and then remove the ring. And I am going to make 10 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, make 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I have my 10 double crochet into the ring. We are going to close the ring now. This is the tail, okay, and we have 2 strands here. If you can see, one strand is on the outside and one is in the inside. So the one from the inside, we are going to pull that halfway from left to the right. Okay, pull it halfway from left to right, and we are going to pull the tail. This is the tail. We are going to pull that all the way. Pull it tight. Now the ring is secured, and let me close it so that I will show you how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks when the ring is closed. You cannot see any tiny hole there. Even if you pull like that, it won't get loose. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys who's learning how to crochet still struggling how to do the magic ring, just like me before. I struggled a lot how to do it. Even though I'm following the tutorial, I still couldn't do it until one day I finally managed to do my own technique. And I hope this helps, guys. Yeah, I hope that helps. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please share and like my videos, and see you for my next tutorial. Have a great day.